Hello friends, welcome to my channel Food Crafts and More with me Harini. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click that bell icon for future notifications. In today's video, we are going to make these exceptionally cute Mickey Mouse themed birthday banners. So now without further ado, let's begin. We will make a Mickey Mouse face stencil first. For this, take a white paper sheet, draw a circle with 6 cm radius. You can either use a compass or any round objects you have. Mark 4 points on the circle with a distance of 4 cm each. We will call it A, B, C and D. So this is how the points will look like. Now from A and B, mark lines at 3 cm so that they intersect. And the point where they intersect will be the center of the ear. From the center point, draw a semicircle touching the bigger circle. Similarly, draw another ear from points C and D. So this is our Mickey Mouse face stencil. Using this stencil, mark the outline on a black paper sheet and cut it out. There you have a Mickey Mouse face. Next, take a red paper sheet and draw a circle with 6 cm radius. Mark a point 1 cm below the center point and draw a line on that point. Cut out the smaller part of the circle. You can use the leftover white sheet. From this, cut 2 circles with around 1 cm radius. Let's put this together. Stick the red semicircle on the bottom part of the Mickey Mouse and stick white circles on the red part. Next, let's make the alphabet H. For this, take a white paper sheet. Draw 2 lines 6 cm apart. That means the alphabets will be 6 cm long. And as for the width, it should be 4 cm wide. Draw the alphabet with font style of your choice. I have used Disney font style here, since it is a Mickey Mouse themed, of course. Cut on the outline and erase the pencil marks on them. Now stick it on the black part of the Mickey Mouse that we have prepared. Now poke 2 holes near the ears. You can use a paper punch if you have it. This makes the first letter of happy. Similarly, make 12 more of these with different alphabets to make it a happy birthday. Now to put this together, I have used plastic ribbon. You can use any of the strings you have. Starting with H, draw the string through first hole from front to back and through other hole from back to front. Similarly, draw the string through all 5 sheets of happy. And then make a separate banner for 8 sheets of birthday. Adjust the spacing between the sheets and also at the ends of the banner. Stick the sheet and the string with a cello tape to keep it in place. There you have it. The Mickey Mouse themed happy birthday banner is ready. This can also be a simple craft project for you and your kids to do together. Try it out at home and let me know how it turned out on the comment section down below. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you all next time. Until then, be happy and be creative. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.